Classrooms may be one of the safest places to be when it comes to the pandemic, as long as safety protocols are properly followed. Jason Miles has new information from public health officials.
2 thumbs up. Everyone knows what to do.
Houston area school districts prepared for campus life amid a pandemic well before this academic year began.
Students are asked to clean their hands with a liquid sanitizer and to take a wipe to clean their workspace or desk prior to the start of class.
Health experts say it appears safety protocols are working when they're properly followed.
Right now, what we're seeing, at least in Harris County, is that it does seem that the in-classroom rates are fairly low.
Dr. Maria Rivera with Harris County Public Health helps lead the agency's school advisory group and says effective protocols include mandatory face coverings, desk distancing, regular hand washing, campus disinfecting, and good contact tracing.
If all those 5 things are in place, then it does seem that the rates of transmission in the classroom are low.
The Texas Department of State Health Services Public School COVID dashboard shows that current self-reported cases account for less than 2% of those who are learning in person across the state. Rivera says the rate locally may be even lower, despite what's happening in the community.
Cases are going up, positivity rate is going up, hospitalization rates are going up.
A letter sent home to Seven Lakes High School families blamed off-campus activities like weekend parties for a recent outbreak there. Rivera says classroom case rates would also be impacted if some students didn't continue learning from home, keeping campus capacity capped at a certain level.
I think that's one thing that we're really stressing to schools, is that right now is not the time to start bringing in more kids into the classroom.
Something teachers unions and others continue to push as well. In Houston, Jason Miles, KHOU 11 News.